Story Kids Rise.
Princess Sophia and the Serpent's Secret Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom, there was a kind princess named Sophia. She loved exploring the gardens around her castle. One day, while walking through her favorite flower garden, she heard a soft hissing sound. Sophia followed the sound and discovered a tiny, sparkling serpent curled around a colorful flower. The serpent looked sad. "Hello, little serpent," Sophia said. "Why are you so sad?" The serpent replied, "I've lost my magic jewel. Without it, I can't protect the garden from dark shadows." Sophia decided to help. "Don't worry. I'll find your jewel." The serpent's eyes sparkled with hope. "Thank you, Princess. The jewel is hidden in the Enchanted Forest." "But be careful, the forest is tricky." Sophia bravely entered the Enchanted Forest. She saw tall, shimmering trees and heard magical birds singing. Soon, she met a wise old owl. "Hello, Mr. Owl," Sophia asked. "Do you know where the jewel is?" The owl nodded. "Yes, it's inside the tallest tree. But first, solve this riddle. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. What am I?" Sophia thought and then smiled. "An echo." The owl was pleased. "Correct. Follow the path to the tallest tree." Sophia found the tallest tree and saw a small door at its base. Inside was the glowing jewel. She hurried back to the garden. The serpent was overjoyed. "You found it. Thank you, Princess." Sophia placed the jewel back on the serpent's head. A bright light surrounded them, and the garden became even more beautiful. The dark shadows disappeared. The serpent thanked Sophia. "You're a true hero." From then on, Sophia and the serpent were best friends. The garden stayed magical and lovely, all thanks to Sophia's kindness. Princess Sophia and the Serpent's Secret Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video.
Story Kids Rise.